Well, I'm glad to say that I was muted this whole time. You didn't miss anything, though, really. Just me babbling on about how I'm building an iOS and an Android app using Expo Dev's agent, their platform beta. I just upgraded. I just paid to upgrade to see if I can get it working. I have an app where you can install a font from anywhere, right? But if you make your own handwriting font on fontcrafter.net, that's kind of the goal. It's like, hey, more people will make their own handwriting font, and then you can send your own handwriting as an image to somebody, or post it in social media, or copy to the clipboard, paste it anywhere, and then you're sending notes with your own handwriting rather than another font. And you can upgrade, one-time fee. I don't know how this part's going to work yet, because this is the part that I'm just like, is this working? How is this working? Is this working? I don't know if this is working yet. Because every time I've tried, I'm still getting a bug, probably because it's still in the sandbox. But either way, the idea is that you get full features, functionality. iOS users get a keyboard, or at least I'm trying to get this to work well so that they can use a keyboard in their messaging apps. I'm going to try. And, if I get too far, I may have to suspend the keyboard feature and just go with the studio. And just make it easy for them to send their notes as an image or copy to the clipboard. You can install the font, any font you want. If you want to have more than one font, you got to upgrade. It's all private. No information leaves the app. There's no network connection or anything like that. It's called PenSend, and it's easy, and it should work. And so if you would like to test it, let me know. And you can potentially... App Store. I've got to keep an eye on App Store Connect, because it's once it compiles, then it submits it to you submits it for you to TestFlight. But I'm in a queue because priorities and stuff, and so it could take a while for me to get this pushed out. It says that wait time 140, but I'm not exactly sure. You're build weighted in the priority queue, but I don't see it. Total time, availability, but it's finished. It's finished, but I don't see it. It didn't get pushed. It says it'll be submitted to TestFlight automatically. And I'm not sure exactly what... I've had other... See, you got to submit to an app store separately, which is just kind of weird. And I'm still getting used to, the fastest way is through EAS submit this build. I need to submit. I think you need to submit the build. I think I have to tell it, I think you need to submit the build. It wants me to run it on a command prompt or command line. I'm like, nah, I'm not going to do it, because it can do it. So I'm like, hey, I think you need to submit the build. I'm going to have it do the submission, because I'm like, it's done. It's definitely there. The code absolutely works. Oh, you're using local models? Oh man, I haven't started local models yet. I probably should. I think if I did, Kimi would probably be it. I'm still using Claude Web for a lot of stuff. There we go. Limit ink density for cleaning water and mark modifier. No. What are you thinking? Let's explore fixes for both. I don't want regressions. That's the problem. Here we go. Same issue, same auth issue from the CLI. Build is running though. Check the builds tab. But I did. And I did configure the key. Yeah, but that's what I did that. Sometimes it says, yeah, build. And then I take a screen grab and then send it back. Oh, did it not attach right? Okie dokie. Let's try it again. Didn't like that either. Okie dokie. Sometimes the multimodal interface, well, this isn't the only one. Gemini has done it too. There we go. It has a problem. I can't see where it may have otherwise been done automatically, and my keys should be in the eas.json. Go. Crap. How do I delete? There we go. Oops. Ah, crap. I canceled it. Let's try this. This is what I see. Nothing was auto submitted, and my API key should be already in the JSON file. Back to this. This one's a little more nerve-wracking here. Box lines bleeding through. We could try. Let's try. I hate making more than one fix at a time. Build, finish successfully. Click submit. Yes, but it doesn't. It tells me to use, and I'm not on a command line. I'm in the web interface, even though I can't type interface. I'm trying to get submit to an app store. Yeah, submit. Hosted service, Expo application service. That's what I'm trying to do. Yeah, see, I don't want to install the client. I want it to work. Okay, there we go. Enable auto submit. Okay. Done. For this build, go to here and submit. But and submit it from the dashboard. It's not. I can't. It's not. There is. You're sending me back to the same place I had a problem. Well, yeah. And then a log came up and then it disappeared. I can't. So that's the thing I need to submit, but I can't do it natively now for some reason. This is, yeah, I upgraded, but I'm still having the same damn problems as I had before. Okay. Hang on. Sorry, let me put you on the Font Crafter's window as I try to fix this other problem. Let me get this working. This is my life. Testing Font Crafter stuff. There we go. Okay, that all looks good. Good. Continue with all characters, lowercase. Oops. Okay. My handwriting. What do we call it? Let's call it my handwriting. Gretchen. Characters. Let's see what we got. Clean. Looks very clean. Yep. Okay. Let's build it. See what we got. Thank you for following. Ocean wave. No, Q's still Q's filled, E's filled. 1G, Q is filled. Maybe the Q is too tiny. Q and is that E filled? Yeah, maybe the E is too small. That G is still there. That underscore is still not. That underscore is fine. Wait. Okay. But one underscore. First underscore. The tilde. Oops. A lot of punctuation. Different things. Q. Wait a minute. That's capital. Perhaps this Q is too small. Yeah, that Q is dinky. Okay. Q, E. Perhaps the holes in the E and Q are too tiny. They're still getting swallowed. Maybe no way around it. And we're still getting stray marks from the dashed line in the template leading through. In the case of the underscore character, it is catching the actual underscore label representing the box, as well as trailing specs. Lots of punctuation as this trailing spec that issue. Seems like it, and a lot of punctuation. Some other characters too, though. Okay. Didn't break anything. That's a good thing. Let's see what I got over here. Wait a minute. No. Procedural. Settings. Log out? What do I... How do I... Hey. Like production. No. Builds. Where is okay. Log out. Log in. Agent. I paid for an upgrade and I'm still having the same problems. I did. I'm a paying customer now. I can't. Their support is nice. I'll say that. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. Target fixes. Hopefully this doesn't break everybody else's. I did. The Expo agent page. I did. Oh my God. I can't. Oh my God. This is. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to clear context. And then thank you for the follow. Hit refresh. And submit latest build to test plate. I'm trying to get my iOS app to be submitted, and it's still saying I'm not logged in. But I did. Oh my God. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see if this blows things up, shall we? And hopefully it does not. Clear out. Let me do this. I've got my font ready to go. Okay, everything's scanned. That's good. That's great. Her D is good. Her G is very small. Continue. I'm not going to worry about that right now. Let's see. I'm going to zoom in here. Okay, E is showing. E and Q. Where's G? E, Q, and G. Those are the ones I'm looking for. Okay. Let's see what we got. No, still picking up the judge. No, E, same. Yikes. Still having the same issues as before, but now all the strokes are looking incredibly thin and in by comparison to the thicker strokes given in the template. Yeah, I guess I won't be able to do this. I can't because it's not logged in, and I've done it. I keep going around and around and around, but I don't know why. It's okay. Just gonna have to give up on it then, I guess. Not sure what else I want to build right now. That worked, but March 26th. Production, submission, view all. Can I do a submit new? I can't. Production builds. Trying to get this. How do I submit the test flight otherwise? Do I do it through Xcode? Is that? Can I do it independent of Xcode? Select the components you want to get started with. Okay, I guess. That's iOS. There we go. Okay. So do I? Okay, I got Pixel Shoot. Let's see here. Do I open an existing project? Go to Font Crafter and choose Pen Send and download the latest docs. Okay, let's try this then. What do you got? What do you got for me? Build me something good. Okay, that all looks good. Great. All's well and good until I hit build. And then it's like, what? That's when things blow up. Thoughts on web apps requiring data? Everyone's got a thing. I don't have any thoughts on it personally. But I guess it's not my world. If I had more thoughts on it, I would share. Pachinko, I've tried Pachinko, but did you see the one I did today? Platinum? I did one. Let's go by latest. I'm at 304 apps right now. I iterated. Someone did like a Lego, like a brick builder kind of thing, and so I iterated on it. Maybe this is what I was thinking of earlier. I was thinking, okay, I love the random city build, but I'm wondering, could we make it like first person where the person can actually walk through a build like generatively? There's the randomize button, right? So you can get a random city, although the city, some of the buildings are intersecting there. Some lampposts. Crystal's pretty cool. And you place the bricks. I don't know, it's kind of like, okay, well, maybe someone's going to have fun with this. It's just more kind of like, you know what? Why not? So I'm going to... That's what I'm going to do. This is the thing I was thinking of. Do this. Expo. No, let's call it... What do we call this? Code. Download. And send app. And send app. Let's do this. I'm going to download that, put it here, and then unbundle it. Nope. Do this. Download that. Put it here. I'm doing some local stuff here. There we go. Okay, so now, how do I... Oh, but I actually have to build the Swift. I have to build it. Frack, this is different. This is not going to work. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work. Shoot. Open existing project? Oh, no, it's not. I don't have a project for it. Yeah, it's not a project. Okay. Code. Create new project. Okay, app. Mac iOS app. There we go. Next. I don't think that any of this is going to work. It's not going to work for me. I need to find and work with an iOS developer, I think. Oh, you're trying to do a database? Well, I mean, there's many databases that you could go with, even a flat file database. And that might do it for you. Wait, hang on. What is it called? What did I call it? Yeah, BrickGen. Wait a second. Where is... But it exists. Where is it? Oh, last modified. That's why. I was like, what the... There we go. There we go. Okay, so now, looking at Font Crafter here. This is still anemic. Nah. Yeah, see, I don't think that works either. So if I go to the official site and try it, let's see how our handwriting looks there. This is going to, of course, be broken because it's got the old... Nope. Letters still anemic compared to what we have in production now. What you have is the one with dog on the second line. Okay, BrickGen. So we're gonna go Claude. I haven't used Firebase very much. I know some people swear by it, but I do not. Yeah, I can't. I gotta quit it until I know what I'm doing. See what we got. Let's take just the city part of this and make a different kind of app based upon what this app does. I think it would be fun to do a first person walk through a city as the brick city was generated dynamically in all directions infinitely. Bricks fall into place as you go in all directions. Generative. Gotta make sure buildings don't collide with each other or street lamps get placed in the actual streets. Okay. I'm going to iterate this one. Because these are fun, like the mandalas. Or the wave fields. The wave fields and the mandala. Isn't that kind of neat? Spiral tower is a little weird, but it does work. Crystals were... I know what it was going for, and it didn't quite do what I wanted it to do, but it's okay. It just gives people some starting points. So what I'm going to try to do is like I want to do a first person walking through the city, and the city kind of falls into place as you go. Like, let's see if it can do it. Okay, what do we got here? Found the stroke thinning bug, counter hole, one more padding pixels. All right, you say you fixed it. Let's find out. Just a test. Just a test, ma'am. Just a test. Okay, thick strokes back. I think that's, yep, thick strokes back. Thick strokes are back. Let me make sure. Oh, I need to do a video on Font Crafter, like a short video to get the word out. I haven't done it. I've been slow. It's been slow building. I've been fixing bugs. I've been fixing things to market, and I need to market the thing. All right, let's see what we got here. Take that out. Loop. Whoa, holy cow. Okay, so what do we got here? Brick City. Infinite worlds need chunking. Collision geometry. Street grids. Wave function collapse demos. Town scraper. Okay. This is interesting. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. Come on, Claude, let's do this thing. First, I gotta compare here. I'm doing a side by side with a font here. It's a little eroded. Eight thick strokes still being slightly eroded, and G and E still being built in, you can see prod as dog and your version as lazy dog by comparison. Wow. Okay, we're gonna try this brick thing. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna but wait. Did it what you change in this build? Change anything? Let's find out. That's fine. It's DOG. Did I? Oh, there we go. Okay, thick strokes. Why is S thinner than it should be? Oh, because it is. Okay. Yeah, it's thinner. So a little thicker. That'll help. Gretchen, you're welcome. Oops. E. Let's wait on this. So cleaned up that. That's great. How's our quotes? Did I? I did. Dang it. Ooh, the other one. Yeah, her quotes are really close together. Yeah, I've got to separate them. Okay. So the only other thing I see here is numbers like her Y and her G and her. Oops. Kill that. Where's the G? There's the Y. It's a go. It doesn't go under the preceding character. There's a gap. Weird gap between the two. Because the character with the descender is being measured by its extreme left point versus recognizing it's under the baseline. There, brown. Oops. Hey, here we go, Brick City. Infinite procedural city. If this works, be kind of exciting. Shit. This is a real feature. Yes, this sender issue exists in prod. We need to address clearly, but do so carefully. Other people are likely running into the same problem any time they have a car. Did it work? Oh, still compiling. There we go. Whoa, it did work. Kind of. I can't. Great, but I can't move. Do I need to download? Let's see here what we got. Brick City. WASD. Oh, there we go. Ah. This is great. We're gonna go play in the park here. Go play in the park. There's a slight hiccup when it's generatively doing more. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so I've got my feel for it. So I want to use my shift sprint space jump. Freezes. So the app freezes when new blocks are built. It'd be neat to see bricks fall from the sky as they're put in place, like in the prior app. the current grid structure is pretty small. Roads are 4 across when everything could be based upon roads being 8 across. Buildings are about the same size when I'd like to see substantially taller buildings in the mix. Street lamps are almost too frequent. The whole thing gets dominated by street lamps everywhere. Okay, there's my feedback for that. Yeah, no, I'm going to keep iterating. I think there's something there here. Okay. Hang on just a second. Optical left edge. I measure the leftmost ink. Is it better to do this in pipeline or not? Building's too short. Too many street lamps. There we go. Have at it, Claude. Okay. Okay, then run the scope outlined in for build font. Any other app? While I'm at it, I should get back to. Who dis? Wait, hang on. Oh, that's still building. Okay. Oh, yeah. Who's this? Ain't not who? I don't know half these people. This is going to be a big one. This is going to be a big change. I'm a little nervous. This would be pre-cleaning and left descenders. Okay. Nope, still working on this. This is a lot of vibe coding. He's just sitting and waiting. We're going to do this. Let's do it. Everything there looks good. Yep. This is where it's either going to blow up or not. Okay, did not blow up. Much better. Yeah, there we go. I think it's working. Go ahead. Egg me on. Egg me on. Egg on me. I'll be on. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. On me. Take on me. Take me on. I'm going yard. Hey there, pal. Pay me what you owe me, or there will be hell to pay, or not. Hell to pay or not. Get going. I'll just be going to the store. And G. Okay, first G. Okay, so let's edit characters. G. Nope, I don't need to edit characters. I need to position characters. Yeah, that first G is high. I'll fix those later. Just getting a feel for this. That song is in my head. It's in my head. Ba 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 ba. See what we got. Should still have it typed. Held to pay. Pays better. Going's better. Yeah. It just worked. It worked. So happy it worked. Ha ha. Ha. Dog. Yo. It worked. Q worked. Q. All right. I have to clean it up. I'll do that, but not yet. Do. Go ahead, hell to pay. Okay, there we go. It worked. I swear to God, it worked. Got a little cleaning up to do, but yay. Yeah, I'm telling you, man, there's never been a better time to do this stuff. It's so much fun. Still really jumpy and laggy when filling out new themes, even at the beginning. Hopefully that's an iteration. Yeah, it worked. Okay, great. What else do I need to fix? I think this is good. Okay, let's write a change log. And then I'm going to make... Why? Okay, how can I explain it? Let me go over to Gemini, because let me tell you, it is... Not now. It is so brain dead. Was this the one that I tried? No. Okay, yeah. So I was like, okay, I need to like reformat this web page, right? I hate the format of the web page. I think the whole thing could be some kind of infographic. He says, normally I can help with things like this, but I don't seem to have access to that content. I gave it that content. I said, I literally gave you the file. Got it. The previous generation cut right off in the middle of an SVG path at the very end of the document. Here's the completion in the footer. And then, you know, I screen capture it. I'm like, what are you doing? I'll completely rebuild this as an infographic layout. And it did, but it like totally nerfed all the content. So it just is, it's become brain dead, quite honestly. I mean, over and over again, it's become depressingly bad by comparison. I have more faith in Claude. I would not have been able to do Font Crafter in Gemini. Zero chance. No, it's for the... for today's news section. Come on, Claude. You know what you're doing. 26th? Okay. Find the what's new section in the app. Let's write a change log. There we go. Because I'm like keeping people up to date. I'm like, here's what I've changed. Here's what's been adjusted. So they know. I'm like, oh, now this works. So that way I'm able to keep track of like what I did on any given day as well as everybody else. There we go. No, hang on. It's got to change the date. Wait. 3 items. Descender spacing fixed. Dash line, baseline, prior. Okay. Still says and then see, I come back to this. You're absolutely right. I prioritize the aesthetics and completely go to the actual payload of the workshop. Like it's just it's brain dead, I swear. Yeah, that's if intro, I'm telling you, I have at this point no alliance, no allegiance. Let's copy that out. Let's save it. I do think, I'll say this, I do think Gemini does a better job with overall web design. Claude's still a little clunky. But for apps, I think Claude's got it beat. Okay. New font crafter getting uploaded here. Now, I'm going to go over to fontcrafter.net. Wait, hang on. Make sure it's upload. When it's uploaded, it is uploaded. Look at that. Updated March 26th. 3 things got fixed. Okay, now I'm officially going to make Gretchen's font because I don't think she's going to get detailed as detailed as I am with it. I don't. Yeah, I need to clean up some of her characters. There was an S I need to thicken. Oop, nope. Cool. Quotes. Her quotes are really. Oops. Really bad. Okay, tilde's fine. What else did I see? E needs to be cleaned up. E. O definitely need to be cleaned up. O, P, Q. It's Q's so bad. Okay. Oops. A, Q. Good. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Their equals is fine. I'm looking for like filled in characters basically. I'm trying to separate them because she is too tight. Oops. Technically, I'm making the font. G. Oh, I need to go back and do the G too, don't I? I need to do the G. Oops. I mean, it is her handwriting. It is her font. But I'm just cleaning up little bits and pieces. I think those are all the ones I saw. Okay, so specs is good. We're going to adjust some positions here. P, J, and then G. Okay, so I did G's, I's, L's, O's, or why am I O so thinky? Do I need to go back and do the O? I may have to go back and do the O. And O. Oops. No, that's clean. Oh, it's taken from the other glyphs. That's why. Okay. I'm gonna save before I do anything. Let's just do over here. Let's go over here. Quote is clean. And that looks good. Confirm. Export template and settings. Yeah. Do. Ooh, I need to bring Q back up. Jinx my pig quiz. All right. Gonna send this over to Gretchen. Get her feel. Yep. This would be a Gretchen Yan over there. I think we got it. Yo, I think we got it. I think we got it. Yeah, I think we got it. Great. For exporting in JSON, should we not just include the template with it, offering a chance to load the whole thing up front instead of just the template? Or basically offering the import option beforehand instead of after the template is loaded. We seem to do this with the quantizer. There we go. Gonna make it easier. Oh, here we go. Brick City. Whoa, what the that got screwed. What happened? Okay, so after it's loaded, it's fine. It's reloading Seems broken. Seems broken at the start. It's rebuilding already built scenes. Still sticks hang when building new scenes instead of just procedurally. I may have to give up on that. There we go. Good idea. Dropping the export file. Okay. Sure, let's figure this out. I'm saying Gretchen her font. Seven. F seems to have the same problem. Mostly. I gotta get her H going here. No. There we go. Current flow profile. I'm testing something here. These are meaningful updates for sure. Oops. This appears and then nothing happens. Okay. Let's download it first. Let's find out. As I work, things I gotta do. Well, do you want me to change the address to? Better. Well, payment method pending. I just did this. starts out broken. This is what it now looks like at the start. Setting the no, still spawning here. Come on, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Nope. Still spawning there. Oh, did it not go? Okie dokie. Now, how does it work? Yeah. Okay, there we go. That's why. That's why. Because it hasn't written it yet. Derp. There we go. My God. Okay. That worked. Come on, Brick City. Let's go. Quick to explore. Do shift. Now there are no roads, no studs. Now there are no roads, no studs. Now there are no roads, no studs. Great. But now there seem to be no studs, no roads, too many street lamps, and a tall skyscraper. Even taller. And now. Okay. There we go. Let's try uploading Gretchen's zip. Yeah, the Gretchen zip worked! Booyah! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my God! That worked so well! Oh, that worked so well. Worked so well. Great. That seemed to have worked. Back on our previous. Wait, hang on. Did it? Did it? It did. Okay. Where's it? Drop it back in. Go. Okay, great. Great. That seemed to have worked. Back on our previous fix for descenders. Noticing similar issue with, say, F. See attached. This is great. Then I don't have to redo everything. This is great. And then I can re-export. Okay, I'm 99% of the way there. And then it's vibe coding that. Oh my God, this is really tedious, dude. Really tedious.
Incoming voice call from Colin Cadman.
Oh, gotta go. Or I just gotta go on mute. Sorry, I had to do a very important biz dev phone call. This, it did not save all my, but, definitely. It is shorter. Gap is shorter now. Crossbar on the F would normally clear that E preceding it. This is the best time to clean up my prints as I wait for AI to do what it's doing. Doing important font crafter work. And I have a feeling I'm going to need to find someone who understands what the hell they're doing with iOS. Because I've got an app 99% of the way there. Come on. Come on. At least it's not breaking. I have all these damn red crumbs everywhere. Okay, so let's do this. Definitely. Oops. Definitely. That's better. I think I'll go for a walk outside now. The sun shines, calling my name. I hear it now. Brady Bunch. There we go. Okay, that worked. That is a huge quality of life improvement. Better. Fantastic. Offer me some chocolate fondue if you care. Yep, that works. Okay, better. Now, I'm noticing something else in my either my export or import. Not sure yet. I had edited several glyphs. But none of them actually got re-imported, so I don't know if those edits are made in export. Oh. This doesn't appear to be a regression, so it's just something I noticed because I used it extensively in this particular font. And for editing, I still wish I could get that cursor smaller as it currently goes for polishing and default to smaller value than current default. These are typically small with the tweak. I may have to create a new window. Here we go. Oh, studs are back. Studs are no longer circular. Two separate issues. Okay, great. Just what I needed. Two separate issues. Do I think I'll go for a walk outside now? The sun shines, calling my name. I hear it now. I need to get that email out, don't I? Or did I? I did not. If you want a call, I'm at just need expected deliverables. I'm gonna go to Josh. That. Okay, great. Fix those problems. Nice. Three fixes. Holy cow. Yay, Chris. Thank you for helping me uncover some bugs here, Gretchen. This is just... I care too much about this shit. Do 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 there we go. It's still gotta happen. There's that. Who did that? All right. Never mind me. I'm just cleaning up my messes. Monthly. Still looking. Still not looking very. How's my? still looking not smooth compared to the original script and code. Go. Ah. Crafter. Now. This. Then we're going to re-export. Okay, we're going to fix Q. We got to fix all the characters in this. Let's go back. Get back. Get back. Get back to where you once belong. Get back. Get back. Get back to where you once. Oops. What else did I need to fix? Quotes. Quotes. E. Nope, got to clear E. Shoot. E to A is fine. Oh, need to clear. OPQ definitely needs to be cleared. Ah! No. Quotes are bad. Or ads are bad too. Quotes are bad, or ads are bad. Oops. Quote and ads. Quote at percent. Quote at percent. Quote percent at it's cleared. G. G. No. EFG. MLPQ. RSTVWXY. 1, 2, 3, 4. Equal star. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. Quotes. Jesus Christ. Okay, I think that's it. Okay. Spacing, tight, normal, ligature, sizing, positioning, polishing. Did I change positioning for? Did I reset Q? I reset Q. Y, Q, K. I wanted to bring A. I wanted to bring. I did bring A. That's great. All right, let's build it. Booyah! Kill this. Oh, my Q's still getting nerfed. Did I miss a Q? Must have missed a Q. Hard. Okay, let's try. Hey, Vince. Okay, there we go. That Q worked. My God. Trying it for myself. Maybe you know. Trying directions and writing for myself. I wound up fixing the lowercase. Lowercase. Case characters. Okay. Let's export here. Download everything. Exported. Yay, JSON. Okay, great. Kill the other one. There we go. Okay, no. No, they still look like bronze. Still bronze. Alright, let's do this. Let's see what we got. and things still judder into place, and the building feel and look the same, the color, shape, etc. Very little variation after a few blocks. Just more and more of the same. Okay. Okay. That's fixed. Okay. I don't know if this was something that we just adjusted, but I just noticed it with her lowercase error. Literally. The lowercase r is being swallowed almost entirely by the error grid. Okay. Even if that error after it wouldn't be isn't completely under the r. Oh, shoot. Neither this C or A would be a yeah. Never mind me, this is just what I've been doing all day. Well, no, not all day. Take that back. I really haven't done a lot of this all day. Cleaning up my prints. Someday. Oof. Okay, let's do this then. Next. Do this. lowercase characters offshoot. Back to this at a starting point. Ah. Let's see here. Importing. God, so much easier. So much easier. Nope. Better again. Working. Often I go definitely I didn't know what it's doing. Here I am fixing problems for Claude. Ah, crap. Oh, no, never mind. That's fine. All good. False alarm. It's just, why didn't I do this before? Often going swimming or offer effusive. Um, eh, come on, no. Nope. So, come on. Nope. Nope. Didn't work. Oof. Nope. Okay, bring down the B. Oops. Generative. Bring down B. Yeah. Seems fine at the overview, but I'm certain thing I could try to see. Okay, okay, great. Okay, so crafter. Woo! Whoops! Wooby booby boo! Hey, man. How you doing, Ken? Still working. I don't know if you've seen what I've been up to. I've been extending this. I built an iOS app, kind of mobile app. I've got it like 99% of the way there, but I may need some help getting it over the finish line. It's cool and it kind of works, but the process is kind of painstaking. I've got the code, but now I need to I've been test flighting. Although getting Expo to work has been a little touch and go. But I proceed. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna have an iOS app out and an Android app that more easily lets you send your handwriting font that you create to other people. So that's my goal, is to do that. And I've got it like 99% of the way there. I'm having problems with the last mile. So I'm gonna throw that out to a few of my fine feathered friends to find out what I need to do next. Okay, so off doc, font crafter, great. I can put you in backup too. Okay, now. Okay. Oops. Yeah, but I specifically want to tackle the out. Let's see. Okay. She's good there. Now I'm going to those two things. Size it. There we go. Okay. Oh. Oh, there's one more thing I wanted to do. Oh, it's O. Ovaltine. Okay, so if I edit the O, polish the O. It's not bad. I didn't do. That's so much better. Okay. And what else do I need to do? I saw something else. What did I need to do? Got a percentage that's kind of flipped out. These all look fine. $, pound. Oops. Quad. Okay, I'm going to keep concentrating here.